Yes, friends. So now what problems in subtraction? See here. First question. Jatin opened dance classes for children. 13,456 students enrolled. In that, during the first month, this is in first month, this many students enrolled. During second month, 1,851 students backed out. Means they left. They left in the second month. Then how many students were left in the class? After they left the class, then how many students were left? Then total students here given 13,456. This many students enrolled. Means they took admission. In that, in the second month, 1,851 students backed out. Means they gone, they left. Then after left, number of these many students, then how many students were left in the class? Left means how many students remain. Means we have to make minus, we have to find minus, we have to subtract here. Then first of all steps. First step, number of students enrolled. Number of students enrolled during the first month. During the first month, how many students? 13,456. This many students enrolled. 13,456 students they enrolled. Then during second month, so this many students backed out. Number of students backed out. In second month. How many students backed out? 1,851. Means this is thousands place. 1,851. 1,851. This is ones place. This is tens place. This is hundreds place. This is thousands place. This is 10,000s place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Then how many students left in the class is asking. Means we have to find minus here. We have to find minus. Then this is the minute, this is the subtrahend. Then minute is bigger than this. No need to take borrow. Then 6 minus 1 is 5. Minute and subtrahend, they are equal, they are same. Then 5 minus 5 is 0. Then minute is lesser, less value. Then take borrow from here. So we get 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Here we get 2. This is 2 is minute and 1 is subtrahend. Minute is bigger, no need to take borrow. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. Then this one as it is. 11,605. Number of students left. Number of students left in the class. Number of students left in the class is equal to 11,605. This many students left in the class after backed out 1,851 students in the second month. Total students 13,456. They enrolled in the first month, and the number of students they backed out this much, and number of students left in the class 11,605. Yes, now students, the next question number D. B question and C question, the both questions are similar questions. That is your own assignment. Do by your own. And question number D. Here in the second question, so this question have two methods. I want to explain first. Asha collect 1,15,312 stamps in her collection, out of which she gave 17,822 to her sister and 33,548 to her brother. How many stamps were remains with her? Here, total stamps, total her collections given. In this collection, she gave this many stamps to her sister and this many stamps to her brother. First, in the first two methods were there. I want to show two methods. First method. In the first method, first you have to find total how many stamps given to her sister and brother. Find the total stamps given to her sister and also her brother. After finding total stamps given her, then that stamps should subtract from total stamps. Then you will get how many stamps you left. Means she left. First of all, we have to find the sum of the stamps given to her sister and brother. Here first, number of stamps given to her sister. 17,822. This many stamps. Then number of stamps given to her brother. Number of stamps given to her brother. How many stamps? 33,548. 33,548. This many stamps given to her brother. Then total stamps given to her brother and sister. Means we have to add. Addition. 8 minus 2. This is ones place. This is tens place. This is hundreds place. This is thousands place. This is 10,000s place. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 here. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 1 7. Single digit 7 as it is. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. Double digit number 3 is here and 1 is here. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 3 11. Double digit number 1 here and 1 here. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. Total stamps. Total stamps given to her brother and sister. These many stamps she gave to her brother and sister. Now, total stamps she collected. Means her collections. Total how many stamps? Her collection stamps 1,15,312. 1,15,312 stamps given to her brother and sister. Stamps given to her brother and sister. And how many stamps given to her brother and sister? 51,370. This many stamps she gave to her brother and sister. Number of stamps left after giving her brother and sister, it means we have to make minus. We have to find subtraction here. This is the minute, this is the subtrahend. Minute is bigger, no need to take borrow. 2 minus 0 is 2. This is minute is smaller, then take borrow from here. It will get 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. 11 minus 7 is 4. Here we get 2 here. Minute is smaller, again take borrow from here, 4 here and 12 here. 12 minus 3 is 9. And 4 minus 1 is 3. Here minute is smaller, again borrow, it will become 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. 63,942. Number of stamps left with her. Left with Asha. These many stamps left. In this question, first we added, addition is there and subtraction is there. Addition, what we added here? We added number of stamps she gave to her sister and brother. Her sister, this many stamps given to her sister and this many stamps given to her brother. The both we added, this many stamps she gave to her sister and brother. Then after that, after giving, so these many stamps, then how many stamps left? So in the total stamps, how many total stamps? 1,15,312. In the total stamps, this many stamps we have to subtract. Then whatever left, so that many stamps left after giving, so these many stamps to her brother and sister. This is the first method. And one more method is there. I am going to explain that one more method. In the first method we discussed, first we found the number of stamps so given to her brother and sister. So we added and we subtracted. Addition and subtraction both involves in first. In second, only subtraction is there. Then how to find? So how many stamps left with her? First, total stamps we have to take. Total stamps Asha collected. How many stamps she collected? 1,15,312. This many stamps she collected. In these stamps, how many stamps she gave to her sister? Number of stamps. Number of stamps Asha gave to her sister. Gave to her sister. How many stamps? 17,822. 17,000. So here we start from fifth digit. So this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousand place, this is 10,000 place, this is lakhs place. 17,822. Then how to make minus? First here make minus because this many stamps she gave. After giving to her sister, how many stamps left we have to find first. We have to find first. This many stamps given. So already gave. So it means minus. So then here 2 minus 2, same minus same. Minus subtrahend same. Then answer is 0. Minus is lesser value. Then borrow. It will get 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. Then 2 is lesser, minus is lesser, again borrow 12, here we get 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. And minus is lesser value, again borrow, it will become 0, get 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. And this is lesser value minus and borrow 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. So this many stamps left after giving 17,822 stamps to her sister. Number of stamps left. Number of stamps left after giving her sister. After given to her sister. Again, this many stamps left. In these stamps, again she gave this many stamps to her brother. Then after, in this number of stamps, given to her brother. How many stamps? 33,548. 33,548. This many stamps she gave to her brother. Again, this many stamps given means minus. Then 8, this is a smaller number. Then borrow 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Here we get 4, 5, 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. This is a smaller number. Again borrow. Here 14, here 6. 14 minus 5 is 9. Here 6. Bigger number, bigger minus smaller. 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. 63,942 stamps were left. Number of stamps left. Number of stamps left. This many stamps left. This is your answer. Now students, we completed our chapter. So similar sums there in our workbook. So for your more practice, you follow your workbook, and similar sums are there. Do as your home assignment, and for your more practice, it is very important. So as possible, so then you complete your workbook sums, and for your practice and for your better improvement. Thank you.